Looking for a sample meal plan to help you get started on a clean eating lifestyle? Here's a week's worth of great clean meal ideas that you can try at home. Day 1. Breakfast. Poached egg with marinara. Use homemade marinara to avoid the processed stuff in jars. Lunch. Chicken salad and pita. Greek yogurt is used in place of mayonnaise to fit in with clean eating guidelines. Dinner. Black bean burgers. Use whole grain or whole wheat buns. Add a dash of cayenne for a little kick. Day 2. Breakfast. Green protein smoothie. You can use your favorite leafy greens for this recipe. Blend in fruit for added sweetness. Lunch. Veggie sandwich. Use whole grain or whole wheat bread and several types of veggies such as bean sprouts, tomatoes, avocados, cucumbers, and your favorite type of leaf lettuce. Dinner. Roasted salmon and kale with rice. Squeeze a lemon wedge over salmon and rice for a fresh pop of citrus. Day 3. Breakfast. Chia breakfast pudding. You can find many variations of pudding to fit your taste, some of which include fruit, oatmeal or peanut butter. Lunch. Lettuce wraps, lettuce cups. Look for one of the many delicious and easy Asian-inspired dishes. Dinner. Pasta with olives, tomatoes and goat cheese. Long noodles are ideal for this recipe. Be sure to use whole grain or whole wheat pasta. Day 4. Breakfast. Egg in a basket. A very simple and delicious way to incorporate veggies. You can use squash, bell peppers or even potatoes. Lunch. Superfood smoothie. Blend a variety of berries, leafy greens, Greek yogurt and your choice of fruit juice for a sweet and healthy treat. Dinner. Stir fry. Rice and veggies such as mushrooms, broccoli, carrots and sugar snap peas, sautéed and tossed together. May incorporate your choice of lean protein or tofu. Day 5. Breakfast. Breakfast cookies or bars. Grind oats in a food processor and mix with your choice of fruits and nuts. Flaxseed is optional as well as types of spice such as cinnamon or nutmeg. Lunch. Burrito wraps. Beans, rice and spinach or kale wrapped up in a warm tortilla. Dinner. Quinoa chicken. Baked chicken breast with your favorite seasonings. Slice and serve on top of a bed of quinoa. Use a lemon wedge for a citrus boost. Day 6. Breakfast. Veggie frittata. Zucchini, onions and bell peppers are roasted and then baked in an egg and cheese mixture. You can use your favorite veggies. Lunch. Spinach salad. A very delicious and versatile salad. May incorporate fruits such as raspberries or dried cranberries sweetened in fruit juice. Dinner. Sweet potato skillet. Sweet potato sautéed in Tex-Mex inspired flavors with beans and tomatoes or served with a ground lean protein such as turkey. Day 7. Breakfast. Warm oats. A very filling meal of oats cooked with your choice of fruit. To sweeten, use pure organic honey or pure maple syrup. Lunch. Tuna salad. Incorporate Mediterranean flavors in your dish with olives and artichoke hearts. Serve on whole grain or whole wheat bread or crackers. Dinner. Shrimp or chicken kebabs with veggies. Grill a lean protein on skewers with veggies such as zucchini, bell peppers and grape tomatoes. Clean eating has never sounded so good. If you've been thinking that eating this way is drab and boring, think again. Let the healthy yumminess begin.